Mendadak.
The fans take their seats. The ref is moments away from starting the game. Well, I've just been handed the team sheet. Let's see how they'll line up. And the home team have been announced. They've elected to go for a 4-1-2-3 formation, a popular lineup that mixes a solid defence with an exciting attack. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Neymar. Salah. Alba. Is this the moment? Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. Let's see that one again. Corner taken on. He got that pass. Oh, he shoots. Good block there. He's headed the ball forward. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. It's back with the goalkeeper. Good distribution. Well cut out. Oh, this is crisp passing. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Now De Bruyne. He must score. Salah off the woodwork. So close. Throw in here. And he's won it back for his team. Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. He's headed the ball forward. Good clearance. He really got behind that. Great understanding between this team. Well read. Here's Koulibaly. And it's Ronaldo. Is this a goal? Goodness. Oh, it's a penalty. Well, he's going to be off. It's a straight red. Good downball by the keeper there. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. Can they make something of this? Great pass. And we're entering stoppage time now. Well, an eventful first half here, with one team a player down. The other team will want to take full advantage in the second half. Some new players are on the pitch, and they make an impact now in this second half. So, neck and neck at half time. The next 45 minutes should prove decisive here. Confident pass. Now it's Griezmann. Keeper collects that one. Headed on. This one has gone out of play. Finds his teammate. Oh, well intercepted. Played wide. That's nicely played. Good defending. Now it's Griezmann. Good possession. Mbappe. That's a terrible tackle. Need to be making time for a fresh pair of legs here then. And it's in. Oh, can only watch. Here's a replay of that great goal. So the scoring starts 1-0. And that's lofted upfield. Using the width here. And the referee calls play back for offside. All over screens, there's a glass half empty in a house with a mirror in it. Tell me what you see, or tell me what you want to. I can fix it with the fear of feeling it. We're not really free. There's so much pressure weighing heavily, I'm barely breathing. Now it's Griezmann. Courtois has got it now. Good ball. It's Messi with the ball. And out for the throw-in. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. It's Messi with the ball. Here's Kane. And we're entering stoppage time now. They've won it back. Easy for the goalkeeper there. He's headed the ball forward. Easy for the goalkeeper there. It's full time. It's all over. Maybe I should leave. Try and find a crown in my